In the proper way.
Come on. Are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
And rice and chicken and rice
Wow.
and no coke.
No coke? How will you drink?
You know we want water.
Wow, good job. Why do you only want water?
I want water so we can get it back. I also want soap and water and also rice and chicken.
Wow. They are so tagal.
How about you play favorite team? Favorite team. Mom, what about favorite this button? You know it's a button.
It's not a button. It's a screw.
Oh. Oh, and this is the button.
Ah, hungry. Hungry.
Kainin mo.
Konti lang yun eh.
Sabay.
Okay.
Pandiilan yan. Limang piraso niyan. Maanghang.
Isang dalawang maangang.
Yun mo, tomato to.
Ayan, with chili yan oh. Chili. Betchin.
What? Don't touch it. You can tapos it under that, ano. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's the pusit?
Okay, stop it na. Yeah, you get it. Let's go. Grab that one, ah.
We already have this one. You want this one instead? Peanut butter. Yung maliit na lang.
No, no.
One only anak, one only.
We're going to get one lang.
Yan o yung may baso. Yung may baso.
Let's get it on. Saka kape dito.
Coffee. Margarine, you want that? Oh, oh. Give, put it there to Papa. Give it to Papa.
Bakit naman? Puro pa naman to. Wala ka naman tinapay.
Kaya nga may harina tayo, di ba?
Yeah, let's go get some coffee and sugar.
Let's go. Hotdog, hindi na. I'm tired. Hi, I'm Nick. I share real-life everyday adventures here in the Philippines. From simple living and gardening to home cooking and cleaning. Because life happens. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, your support helps me continue creating videos like this. I love to have you join me by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.